I'm Karen Torres. You guys can call me Mrs. K. I'm one of the instructors you'll have this year at the CCRI program. And today we're going to talk about investigation. So when you are looking at a test question or you're looking at any kind of a worksheet question, the first thing you want to do is investigate, right? So you're going to investigate, what are they trying to ask you to look for? What are the clues that they're giving you? Sometimes in these questions and in these investigations, you're going to find out that they're using big words that maybe you don't know. Maybe the question is hard to understand because of the way they phrased it. And a way we can practice understanding how to investigate, how to solve that problem, is by breaking those big words down into understandable language, right? So one of the things that we can practice doing is solving the gobbledygook, right? So gobbledygook is defined as incomprehensible, unclear, wordy, or pompous jargon of specialists, right? So these people that write these tests, they're not going to speak our everyday language, right? They're going to use these big words, okay? So for this worksheet that you're going to have today, you're going to rewrite these sentences. So it's rewrite the given gobbledygook in brief. You're going to make the passages brief and paraphrase the information into your own words. Paraphrase just means change the information, rewrite it, make it make sense to you. Okay, so there's 10 questions on this worksheet, as you can see that I have up on the screen here. I have the first 4 that you can see. We'll do the first one together really quickly, okay? So number 1 is, it is requested that any employee departing this storage room ascertain that all illumination is extinguished. Wow. That's a hard sentence to understand, right? What are they trying to say? Okay, so let's break it down. It is requested. So it is requested just means please, right? So they're asking you something. Requested. Look at that word, requested, right? Requested, quest is a question, right? So it is requested. So it just means please, okay? That any employee departing this storage room. So anybody that's leaving this room, right? Okay, so anybody that's leaving the room, please, anybody leaving this room, ascertain. Ooh, that's a hard one, right? So ascertain means make sure. In very simple words is make sure, right? Ascertain. Okay, that all illumination, well, what is illumination? Illumination is light, okay? So illumination means the lights, right, is extinguished. Extinguished, generally, if you know what extinguishing a fire, right, it's putting out a fire. So illumination, turn off the lights, right? So if you take all of these big words and you put it together is, please turn off the lights when you leave the room. Bam, that easy. Please turn off the lights when you leave the room. That's an easy way of saying that huge, huge, huge sentence, okay? And you can use your own words, so you don't have to use what I'm exactly using. So you may say, please, workers, people who work here, turn off the lights before you leave the room, okay? You can use whatever short words you want to use, but that's my interpretation is, please turn off the lights when you leave the room. That easy, okay? So let's look at number 2. We'll do that one together as well. And then the rest of the 8, I want you to try to do on your own. And we'll take a look at those and we'll break them down in another session, okay? So number 2, the mechanical apparatus of this vending facility is temporarily dysfunctional. Okay, so mechanical apparatus, that just means whatever is making this thing work, right? So the mechanics, right, of this vending facility. So probably it means like a vending machine, right? So somewhere where you get a Coke or a candy bar, is temporary dysfunctional. Okay, so temporarily means right now, and dysfunctional just means it's broken, right? So what you can say is, you can say it, let's see, this vending machine is broken. You could say, broken, please do not use. You could say, broken, will be repaired soon. Basically, you can bring that all down into one word, and you could put a sign on the vending machine that just says broken, right? Not working. Okay, so you could change that whole sentence into one word, broken. Do you see what I'm saying? So in doing this, this begins our path to investigation. Excuse me, into what those test writers are looking for from you, right? So let's use this as kind of a fun practice, and let's see what you all come up with for the rest of the sentences. There's going to be a document attached to this, so go ahead and fill that out and turn it back in, and let's see what your interpretations, your solutions to the gobbledygook, and tell me what your investigation finds. Okay? All right. Have a little fun with it. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon.